Sorry, I got a little off focus there. Sometimes it's really hard because I'm on a tripod. Sometimes it's hard and I get to the bottom of the camera too much. So I brought my camera down so that you could sort of see the but this is the way the hands are done, and in a flat plane sort of way we just kind of bring that down like that. Okay. Alright, now see that? Now, let's sort of come in here and let's just sort of bring this area where the hands come together. We're just going to take our knives in here and we're just going to cut a little portion. There we go. Give it a little depth in there is all. See that? There's just like a little bit of depth in there. No, sometimes I get off-centered. I apologize for that. I'm not the greatest cameraman in the world, and I have my flaws. And sometimes when I get to carving, I often forget I'm on a camera, so I have to be careful of that. Okay, let's so let me dig this out just a little bit more in here, just to give it more of a in between here. Okay, and of course that's where our pole will fit, our pole. Alright, and also at the bottom here, we're just going to do this just for a minute. We want to do the same thing. We want to remove a little bit of wood in here just to give it an indication that the arms are outstretched. Let me see in here. See this? What? Just make a little cut in there. Make a little cut in there, and it just sort of gives you a outstretched thing. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and make the coat or signify. Now the back of the is fine, but what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to make kind of a where the coat comes apart, okay? And we're going to take it and we're going to carve it like that, and remove it like that, and then we're going to come in the middle here and we're going to remove some wood in here. It kind of looks like he's wearing a coat. In fact, let's go ahead and bring this back further, and bring this back further. And see where got kind of a coat in there. There we go. Get that out like that. Like that. See? And let's come in between these legs just a little bit more so it looks like he's really sitting. And then let's kind of go, and we'll make our coat lines right in here. There. See that? See where the coat comes? And the same thing here. Where the coat comes. A little bit more wood in there. And in there. Okay. And we can a little bit more. Push a little bit more wood in there. Underneath the arms. And look. See? Okay, now let's go down to where our face is. And let's go ahead and give it the dog look. Okay. We're going to bring this down. The dog doesn't have that kind of a chin, so let's bring that down. Kind of like that. And let's bring this down and then come up and veer off like that. Okay? Just like that. Okay, and then we cut in, down, and over, and over. And then we cut from the inside and we cut from the inside. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. And from here we make our opening like that. See? Now let me do that again. Let me just cut a little bit deeper. Right in there. On each side. And then from each side we're going to bring that like that. Just like that, see? See, like that? Now we can put some eyes in him. But I don't know if we're going to do that. Okay. Let's move around. Take a little bit more wood off in there. I like deep cuts, as we say. Okay, let's look at him here. Let's bring those ears down just a little bit. And in here, we want to take a little wood away from there. And from there, just to give the ears a flat look. In fact, I have to dig in there. The ears have that look. Okay, we're almost through with this fella. I'm gonna shape the okay. Round off the nose a little bit. Look at that, see? Let me come in a little bit more on this side. Make his face a little thinner. And look at that.